How to fix Jura empty drip tray error. All right, so your first step is to simply remove the drip tray itself. So go ahead and remove the drip tray by completely removing the coffee grounds container. Turn the machine off, pull out the drip tray, empty all the water and coffee grounds, and then rinse the tray with warm water. So go ahead and rinse the tray with warm water. And then the next step is to clean your tray sensor. So the coffee residue and moisture can interfere with the tray detection system, and as such, remove the drip tray. Once you have, wipe the inside compartment where the tray slides in and clean any visible sensor areas with a soft cloth while removing the coffee grounds or debris. Now, once that has been done, the next step you can follow is quite simple. Is to simply check the red float indicator. Most Jura drips contain a red floating indicator that rises as the tray fills. And as such, you have to simply locate the red float in the drip tray. So move it gently with your finger and ensure it moves freely. Clean away any coffee oils or debris causing it to stick. If the float is stuck in the full position, the machine may think that the tray still needs emptying. And then the next step is to insert your tray properly by pushing the drip tray all the way in until it sits flush with the machine. And some common issues that might cause this problem is when the tray is not fully inserted, the ground container actually is not seated correctly, or the tray is installed at a different angle. And at some point, you simply have to restart your machine by turning off the Jura machine, unplugging it for 30 seconds, plugging it back in, and then turning it on and reinserting the tray.